Yo guys, back again in the Binance lecture material. So this time we will discuss the function of the complete Binance application on the dashboard. Then in futures, in trade, in markets, everything, and we will review one by one completely and in detail. We will discuss first from common function to other things. Okay, our lecture material this time is NFT, so we just click a maybe some. Say like nowadays, doesn't it mean yes buying NFT like that dying wrong NFT? Sometimes has its own use case, there is its own utility like that there are. So many NFT and I don't know how many yes 7D there is Prod Kitty Gang this I don't. No H Meta First Jamasis Moonburst Dodal Azuki and so on so. I explain some utilities of NFT that I know yes for Lil PUBG like. This Lil PUBG you will be able to in the past if you have Lil PUBG you will get airdrop like that mutant apps or very often if you work on the testnet sometimes. If you have the Just Scope app later you will get your own roster like that allocation. Also sometimes then there are many important things that NFT is not all rot and not. All Pam and Dam are only collectors but often NFT has its utility like this doodles. Yesterday there was also an airdrop for those of you who often explore the base network. Usually you will find this Azuki title which dominates the arbitrage network well, besides that there were still lots like for example this County Route 7 also has an NFC. Yesterday County Route 7 met up with its NFT holders, then NFT apps and so on like that. If you are interested in buying a certain NFT I want to do a testnet, sometimes the testnet also has requirements. You have to have this NFT sometimes if you want to join ICO. Join presale like that, you also have to have a certain NFT like that. So you can buy and sell NFT through here. You just search for the NFT coin you want to look for. For example, this County Route 7 was like that. You look for whatever you want to look for, the NFT. For example, what is it? Lil 4G was like that. Later when you find it, it's correct. You just buy the NFT and then there is also NFT F, so there is an NFT combined with this DV. For example, Stake B of Meek like this Stake B at earn apps like that. If you have BIEC you can stake and you will get 2 5.9457 apps as rewards. With a total APR of around 21.5% like this, there is a collection, then there is my NFTs. Type of your NFT collection, then there is more. Okay, maybe that's all, more or less. For NFT, don't forget to join our next crypto lecture material.